Hello friends, these are the lunches for the 3-day work week. I made okra with fried boiled eggs, lentils and mint rice. I'm going to put them all together to have a delicious lunch at work. So let's get cooking. I'm only working 3 days this week because I'm going to take 2 days off to watch the Soccer World Cup because that's more important than work, right? This is a snippet of how I made the mint rice. You'll have the full link in the description below. You should really check it out. It's an easy recipe. It's just cashews, a few vegetables and some rice. You'll love it. At work we get a 30-minute lunch, so I just like to take lunch from home. Instead of going out, going for the drive, just makes it easy, and I like to relax during my break. Do you like to eat out when you go to work, or you take lunch from home? I like my lunches to be a little light, not too heavy. So I just like to have a little bit of rice, an egg with okra and dal. And I've also added half a teaspoon of pickle to give that tangy flavor. Lentils or dal is my go-to. I have this all the time. I like to have this with a little bit of rice and pickle. If you like this video, I would really appreciate it if you could give this video a like and consider subscribing to my channel.